Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I got it, Birch, I got it.
Put the gun down! Put it down!
Show me your hands. Hands! Put your hands in the air, stud.
Nope.
Put your hands in the air.
Put the gun down!
Put it down, dude. Drop the
Put it
gun.
down!
Let it go. Let it go.
Dude, push the gun down so we can help you. Push the gun down so we can help you.
Once activated, the body-worn camera of the shooting officer captures the approach to the suspect.
Yes.
Hey,
Still got a gun in
he's
his
still got the gun in his hand. Drop it!
Put your gun down.
Hey, give me a panel up here. No. Hey, I'm getting down since you got him.
No, I can't see his other hand.
Mikey, we're moving around to the passenger side to try and work it from there. You got a shield spike? Or take that window? Yeah, take the window. My first aid turn on the passenger window, guys.
Officers safely removed the shotgun from the suspect's lap.
It's just laying across his lap, but he's not holding it. I can go for it, dude. Yep, go ahead. Yep. All right. Hey, guns out. Push up.
After the suspect was no longer armed, he was removed from the vehicle and officers began medical aid.
No, if this,
Phoenix fire personnel arrived and transported the suspect to a nearby hospital in critical condition.
Yeah.